Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel ABCS Preparation Site. So guys, today I bring you some courses for the pharma students, and these courses are totally free, and the certification also provided for these courses, and you no need to pay any single amount for this course. So now I will discuss about this course. Now we'll move on to the content. Before that, if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. Now I open a browser. See here, this is our first course, and guys, watch full video so that you will not miss the update of anything or any information that is useful for enrolling these courses. So this one is the first course, which is provided by the National Drug Abuse Treatment Clinical Trials Network. That is the good clinical practice, and this course is totally for pharmaceutical students and also for those students who are involved in medicine study. And now I'll tell you about these courses. See here, these are the course topics: introduction, institutional review board, informed consent, confidentiality and privacy, participant and safety, and adverse event, quality assurance, the research protocol, documentation, research misconduct, roles and responsibility, recruitment and retention, investigational new drug. And for getting the certificate, some criteria is there that you have to be complete, and the criteria is there are quiz available for each topic except introduction, and you have to attempt all quizzes, and overall you have to score minimum 80% on the quiz. After that only you will get the completion of certificate, and this certificate is valid for the 3 years, and you can use for the clinical purpose or medicine purpose or your pharmaceutical course purpose. This is the most important course, and this course is the NIDA Clinical Trials Network. So now I'll show you how you can start this course and study. See here, first go to the sign up option here if you're new to this website, and if you already have account here, you can go to the sign in option. First I will show you how you sign up here. Click here, then this page will be open. Create an account, put your first name, last name, and put your study role or title. If you are in any position or any title, that is you are working, then you can put that position name, or if you students, then just mention the student and mention the organization. That if you students, then mention the college name or university name, or if you employed, then put the organization name. After that, go to the location, select your location. For every country this is available, and if it is not mentioned here, then you can specify here, and your institute or organization is affiliated or not, NIH affiliated or not, select that. If it is not, then select go to the no option, and if it is, then select the yes button. After that, put your email ID, create a password, then again type a password same, click here, I am not a robot, then after it submit. So I already have an account here, so that I will go to the login option. See here, my email ID and password is already saved here, so I will go to the sign in option, click here. See, this is a welcome note about this course. It consists of 12 modules, and other information like certificate format is here. Like this you will get a certificate, and the quiz is this about the resources, what are the resources available. Then the last page is about the module content, page navigation, take the quiz. Now we'll go to the module. See, first you can start from the introduction. These 4 topics are here on the introduction part. After that, continue it, click on next. Study the first part 1, that is introduction to good clinical practice. This is the entire information. Then go to the next page. Like that you can study the remaining parts. Now I will tell you some information regarding the quiz. Okay, we'll go to the quiz option. Now see here, from next topic you will get the quiz. First, study this content by clicking here. Then after complete the study, you can go to the take the quiz option. Click here, and these are the quiz questions. Select the prepared answer and click on the submit. In this way you can complete the quiz and score minimum 80% on this quiz. After that you will get the certificate, and if you don't score 80%, you will get the option to reattempt these quizzes. So don't worry about it. Study properly, then select the options so that you will score well. So this about the one course. Now I'll tell you the another course which containing the 3 subtopics. For each topic you will get the certificate. So now move on to next topic. See here, this course is provided by another website, and don't worry about it, the link I will share on the description part, so that you will go through the link and start your study. See here, this course is provided by Uppsala Monitoring Center. Now I'll show you the courses option. See here, first course is Intro to Pharmacovigilance. That is a 30-minute one module, and audio is available in English and Spanish. Subtitle is also available in both languages. See the next course, that is Signal Detection and Casualty Assessment. This course is around 1 hour 35 minutes, which containing the 4 modules. Audio is in English and subtitle is also in English and Spanish. These are the 4 modules topic. Now next course is Statistical Reasoning and Algorithm in Pharmacovigilance, which is 30-minute course containing the 1 module, same audio and subtitle both in English and Spanish. So these are the topics. Now I'll tell you that how you can enroll for these courses. Now go to the sign up for all free courses option. After that a new page will be open. See here, it asks for the login option. If you already have account, put your email ID and password and go to the login option. If you don't have, go to the register here option, click it here, then the registration option will be shown. See here, register new user. After that, put your first name, last name, email ID and the company or organization that you work or study. Mention the city name, country name, phone number. User group is already here, so no need to do anything for this. Put a new password and again put the same password for the confirmation, then go to the continue option. See here, I put the entire information, then I'll go to the continue option. See here, it's shown you are now registered user. See here, these are the courses that offer here. So now click on my course. See here, each course is available on both English and Spanish language. See here, Introduction to Pharmacovigilance, English, Spanish, again English course, same course in Spanish, English, again Spanish, here English. So you can select the course and start the study. So in this way you can select the course and start your study on each topic that you want to continue. And after the completion of this course you will get the certificate, and in this course you will have a much more video content, so that will be helpful for you to learn also. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any problem or any questions, you can comment below so that I can solve your query or problem. And if you're new to our channel, please subscribe our channel so that you will not miss the update of upcoming videos. And if you like to our video, please hit the like button, share it, and thank you for watching our video. Till then, goodbye, take care, have a good day.